Welcome to SumatoSoft. I'm Julia, and today I'm excited to share how we helped a leading logistics company transform its operations with cutting-edge software. Our focus today is on the logistics industry, an industry where precision and efficiency are everything. Our client, Sturvalas, a logistics company from Lithuania, faced a major challenge. Their software system was outdated, limiting their ability to stay competitive. They needed a modern, scalable solution to manage transport, cargo tracking, and customer interactions seamlessly. Their existing system lacked real-time tracking, had high operational costs, and made cargo management inefficient. To maintain their market position, Sturvalas need a complete overhaul, developing their legacy system and integrating modern technologies. We built a brand new logistics management platform from the ground up. For the backend, we used Ruby on Rails technology. AngularJS and HTML5 were responsible for the front end, while all the data was safely stored in the MySQL database. Developing a system like this required a structured approach. Here's how we did it. Understanding needs. First, we worked closely with Sturvalas to understand their workflow and pain points. This was our discovery phase, where we mapped out the best way to enhance their logistics management. Design and prototyping. Then, our UX/UI designers created interactive prototypes, demonstrated them to the client, and refined them based on the client's feedback. Building the system. Our developers built a secure and robust platform, integrating essential features like real-time cargo tracking, automated cost calculations, and waybill management. Testing and optimization. Finally, we conducted flow testing to ensure reliability, scalability, and smooth performance under real-world logistics conditions. Deploy. Once the system passed all tests, we deployed it into production, ensuring a smooth transition with minimal disruption to operations. We provided training and support to help Sturvalas teams adapt quickly and start benefiting from the new system immediately. Let's explore the key features of the platform. Custom CRM system. A powerful CRM with permission-based access, user and entity management, and a sleek admin interface. Kanban-style cargo tracking. A dashboard that updates cargo status in real time. Quotes and cost calculations. Automated tracking of shipping requests and cost estimations. Order management. Streamlined handling of orders from dispatch to delivery. Accounting module. Integrated financial tools for tracking expenses and revenue. Waybill print module. Instant waybill generation for smoother shipping processes. Beyond the core functionalities, we implemented two more essential features. Offline mode, ensuring the system remains operational even in areas with poor internet connectivity. Cloud integration. Seamless synchronization between on-premise and cloud environments for better data consistency. So what impact did this transformation have? Here's the before and after. Before. An outdated software system, lacking modern design and ability to maintain a strong market position. Inefficiencies and higher operational costs. Limited cargo tracking capabilities, presenting challenges in managing cargo routes effectively. Now it is a new scalable platform with advanced tracking and automation, improved operational efficiency and cost effectiveness, real-time freight data tracking for smarter decision-making. At SumatoSoft, we turn challenges into opportunities. By modernizing logistics software, we help Sturvalas optimize their operations and stay ahead in the industry. If your company is looking for a custom solution, let's talk.